Are you navigating the complex sea of ethical philosophies, searching for clarity and wisdom? In this video, we delve into the intricate dance between Stoicism and virtue ethics. Uncover 12 key distinctions that will not only anchor your understanding but illuminate your path to personal growth and moral clarity. Let's embark on this philosophical voyage together, exploring how ancient insights can powerfully resonate in our modern lives. Prepare to be enlightened. Before we move forward, check out the links in the description below for free guides and resources that will take your knowledge to the next level. Let's begin. Stoicism versus virtue ethics, 12 key distinctions. Feeling adrift in a sea of ethical theories? Dive into the depths of Stoicism versus virtue ethics. Uncover 12 key distinctions that will anchor your understanding. From the origins of Stoicism to the concept of eudaimonia, this exploration will illuminate the path to personal growth and moral clarity. Let's navigate these philosophical waters together and emerge with a deeper appreciation for the guiding principles of Stoicism and virtue ethics. Definition of virtue ethics. Virtue ethics is a moral philosophy that emphasizes the development of good character traits and the cultivation of virtuous habits. It focuses on the idea that being a good person is the key to living a fulfilling and morally sound life. This approach places a strong emphasis on moral character, ethical principles, and personal excellence. When you delve into the realm of virtue ethics, you're prompted to reflect on your own character and the kind of person you aspire to be. It encourages you to consider how you can develop traits such as honesty, courage, compassion, and fairness. By doing so, you're actively shaping yourself into a person who embodies these virtues, not just in specific situations, but as a fundamental part of who you are. This philosophy offers a pragmatic approach to navigating ethical dilemmas, as it prioritizes the development of a strong moral character. By focusing on personal excellence and the cultivation of virtuous habits, virtue ethics provides a solid foundation for making sound moral decisions that prioritize safety and well-being for oneself and others. Origins of Stoicism. When studying the origins of Stoicism, you'll find that it emerged in Athens during the Hellenistic period. Stoic philosophy, with its emphasis on self-control, resilience, and virtue, has deep roots in ancient Greece. The philosophy was founded by Zeno of Citium around 300 BC, and was later developed by prominent figures such as Cleanthes and Chrysippus. The Stoic school gained prominence and influence, particularly in Rome, where it found resonance with Roman values of duty, honor, and self-discipline. The ancient Greek influence on Stoicism is undeniable, as it drew from the ethical and moral teachings of Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle. Stoicism's emphasis on living in accordance with nature and cultivating personal excellence reflects these philosophical roots. Additionally, the Roman influence on Stoicism is evident in its practical and pragmatic approach to life's challenges, aligning with the Roman ethos of strength, fortitude, and duty. Understanding the origins of Stoicism provides insight into its enduring appeal and relevance in navigating the complexities of human existence. It offers a timeless framework for cultivating resilience, moral integrity, and inner peace in the face of adversity. Focus on character development. As you delve further into the philosophy of Stoicism and its emphasis on character development, you'll see a continuation of the focus on self-control, resilience, and virtue that has its roots in ancient Greece. Stoicism places a strong emphasis on moral education and ethical development, aiming to cultivate individuals with virtuous character traits. This focus on character development isn't merely about adhering to a set of rules or guidelines, but rather about nurturing a deep understanding of what it means to live a good and fulfilling life. Stoicism encourages individuals to engage in introspection and self-reflection, constantly striving to improve their moral character. It advocates for the development of qualities such as wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance, which are essential for leading a life in harmony with the natural order of the universe. This approach to ethical development is geared towards fostering inner strength and resilience, enabling individuals to navigate life's challenges with grace and integrity. Concept of eudaimonia. Achieving eudaimonia is the ultimate goal of Stoic philosophy, representing a state of flourishing and fulfillment in your life. It's the concept of living in a way that allows you to reach your highest potential, where you experience a deep sense of contentment and well-being. In the context of Stoicism, eudaimonia is closely tied to ethical living, emphasizing the importance of virtuous behavior and moral character. The Stoics believe that by aligning your actions with virtue and reason, you could attain a flourishing life, regardless of external circumstances. This pursuit of eudaimonia encourages you to focus on cultivating qualities such as wisdom, courage, temperance, and justice, which in turn contribute to a life of meaning and purpose. Embracing the idea of eudaimonia invites you to reflect on the choices you make and the values you prioritize, guiding you towards a more intentional and ethical way of living. By striving for eudaimonia, you embark on a journey of self-discovery and personal growth, laying the foundation for a fulfilling and virtuous existence. Role of reason and logic. To understand the role of reason and logic in Stoicism and virtue ethics, you must recognize that they serve as foundational principles guiding ethical decision-making and personal conduct. In Stoicism, reason plays a central role in understanding and navigating the world. It's through reason that one can differentiate between what's within their control and what's not, leading to the cultivation of inner virtue. Emotions, on the other hand, are viewed as potentially disruptive forces that can cloud judgment and lead to irrational behavior. Stoics believe in using logic to temper and guide emotions, ensuring that one's actions are in accordance with virtue. Virtue ethics also places significant emphasis on the role of reason and logic in ethical decision-making. By employing logic, individuals are able to discern the morally right course of action in a given situation. This logical approach is intertwined with the concept of virtue, as it enables individuals to cultivate traits such as wisdom, courage, and justice. In essence, reason and logic serve as the tools through which individuals can strive towards moral excellence and virtuous living in both Stoicism and virtue ethics. Approach to emotions. In both Stoicism and virtue ethics, your approach to emotions is pivotal in shaping your ethical conduct and personal development. Cultivating healthy emotions and practicing self-control are essential in both philosophical traditions. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of emotional intelligence, teaching you to understand and manage your emotions in a way that contributes to moral development. By cultivating self-control and rationality, Stoicism encourages you to respond to challenging situations with composure and clear judgment, thus fostering virtuous behavior. On the other hand, virtue ethics also values the development of healthy emotions and self-control. It promotes the idea that ethical conduct arises from cultivating virtuous character traits, including emotional balance and self-mastery. In this framework, emotions aren't seen as obstacles to be suppressed, but rather as important indicators of moral significance. By honing your emotional intelligence and exercising self-control, you can navigate ethical dilemmas with wisdom and integrity, contributing to your overall moral development. Embracing a balanced approach to emotions is integral to both Stoicism and virtue ethics, shaping your ethical conduct and personal growth. Views on adversity and fate. Your perception of adversity and fate significantly shapes your ethical outlook and personal development within both Stoicism and virtue ethics. In Stoicism, fate acceptance is a fundamental principle. It teaches you to acknowledge that certain things are beyond your control, and that the only thing you can control is your response. This perspective fosters resilience building, as it encourages you to adapt and grow stronger in the face of adversity. By accepting fate, Stoicism emphasizes the importance of focusing on what you can influence, rather than being consumed by worry over what you cannot. On the other hand, virtue ethics approaches adversity and fate through the lens of personal virtues. It emphasizes the development of character traits such as courage, patience, and wisdom to navigate challenging circumstances. Rather than solely accepting fate, virtue ethics encourages active engagement with adversity, striving to cultivate virtues that enable you to confront and overcome difficulties. This approach places emphasis on personal growth and ethical development through the active pursuit of virtuous behavior, ultimately shaping your character in the face of adversity. Both philosophical perspectives offer valuable insights into how you can approach and navigate the challenges presented by fate and adversity, fostering resilience and ethical growth. Relationship with society. Your interaction with society plays a crucial role in shaping your ethical outlook and personal development within both Stoicism and virtue ethics. In Stoicism, The emphasis on personal virtue and inner strength is complemented by a strong sense of social responsibility. The Stoics believed in living in accordance with nature and fulfilling one's duties to society, emphasizing ethical conduct and contributing positively to the community. This perspective encourages you to engage with society in a way that aligns with moral principles, promoting harmony and justice. On the other hand, virtue ethics also underscores the significance of social relationships and the impact of societal interactions on your moral character. It emphasizes the development of virtuous traits such as kindness, honesty, and integrity, which are essential for fostering healthy and ethical social connections. Through your interactions with others, you have the opportunity to practice and cultivate these virtues, contributing to a more ethical and harmonious society. Both Stoicism and virtue ethics highlight the interconnectedness between individual ethical development and social responsibility, emphasizing the importance of ethical conduct in shaping a cohesive and virtuous society. Application of virtues. Engaging with society in a manner aligned with moral principles and cultivating virtues through interactions with others is crucial in both Stoicism and virtue ethics. In the practical approach of virtue ethics, the focus is on the development and application of virtues such as courage, wisdom, justice, and temperance in everyday life. It emphasizes the importance of actively practicing these virtues in your interactions with others and in the decisions you make. This practical approach encourages you to reflect on the specific virtues you want to embody and then consciously apply them in your relationships, work, and community engagements. The development of virtues isn't just a theoretical exercise but a practical one that requires intentional effort and continual practice. It involves learning to navigate real-life situations with an ethical compass, making choices that align with virtuous principles, and seeking to positively influence the world around you. Perception of happiness. To understand the perception of happiness in both Stoicism and virtue ethics, consider how each philosophy defines and pursues fulfillment and contentment in life. In Stoicism, happiness is perceived as the result of living in accordance with nature and accepting the things that are beyond one's control. It emphasizes ethical fulfillment through the practice of virtues such as wisdom, courage, moderation, and justice. Stoics believe that true happiness comes from within and can be achieved by cultivating a virtuous character and maintaining a rational and moral approach to life's challenges. On the other hand, virtue ethics focuses on the development of moral character and the pursuit of ethical fulfillment as the key to happiness. It emphasizes the importance of living in accordance with one's values and virtues, striving for excellence in moral reasoning and decision-making. Happiness is perceived as the natural outcome of leading a virtuous life and aligning one's actions with moral principles. Both philosophies share the understanding that true happiness isn't derived from external sources, but rather from the cultivation of a virtuous and ethical way of living, whether through the practice of Stoic virtues or the pursuit of moral excellence in virtue ethics. The perception of happiness is deeply intertwined with the attainment of ethical fulfillment. Emphasis on self-improvement. The emphasis on self-improvement continues as both Stoicism and virtue ethics prioritize the cultivation of moral character and the pursuit of excellence in ethical living for attaining happiness. Self-improvement is at the core of these philosophical approaches, guiding you to seek personal growth and moral development. Stoicism encourages you to focus on what's within your control, fostering virtues such as wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. By honing these virtues, you cultivate a resilient and virtuous character, fostering self-improvement and inner strength. Virtue ethics, on the other hand, emphasizes the importance of developing virtuous habits through consistent practice, contributing to your personal growth and moral excellence. Engaging in self-improvement through the lens of these philosophies enables you to lead a life guided by ethical principles, fostering a sense of fulfillment and contentment. By prioritizing self-improvement, you embark on a journey towards becoming the best version of yourself. Aligning your actions with moral virtues and values, this pursuit of personal growth not only enriches your own life, but also contributes positively to the world around you, fostering a safer and more harmonious community. Influence on modern ethics. Continuing to prioritize self-improvement in both Stoicism and virtue ethics has significantly influenced modern ethical thought, shaping the emphasis on personal growth and moral development. In the realm of modern ethics, the impact of Stoicism and virtue ethics is undeniable. Stoicism's emphasis on managing one's emotions and focusing on what's within our control has found relevance in modern discussions on emotional intelligence and resilience. On the other hand, virtue ethics' emphasis on cultivating virtuous character traits has influenced the contemporary understanding of moral psychology and character education. The comparison and contrast between these two ethical frameworks have sparked insightful debates, enriching modern ethical discourse with diverse perspectives on the nature of ethical living. As modern society grapples with complex moral dilemmas, the insights from Stoicism and virtue ethics continue to provide pragmatic guidance, emphasizing the importance of individual agency and character development in navigating ethical challenges. The relevance of these ancient philosophies in modern ethics underscores the enduring wisdom that transcends time and cultural contexts. If you enjoyed our dive into the world of Stoicism, do us a favor and smash that like button. It really helps us out. Share this video to spread the Stoic wisdom, and don't forget to subscribe for more enlightening content. Together, let's keep exploring the timeless truths of life. Check out the links in the description below for free guides and resources that will take your knowledge to the next level. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.